Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to talk to you about natural nails versus acrylic nails. A lot of the time we may feel pressurized to go with fake stuff, not embrace our natural beauty. So in this video I want to talk to you a little bit about why we should embrace our natural nails rather than relying on acrylics too much. We all have the natural ability and potential to grow beautiful natural long nails without the use of relying on fake things. God made no mistakes when He made us. He made us in a natural, beautiful way, each and every single one of us. So first of all, I'll start off with the definition of acrylic nails. What are acrylic nails and what is the process involved in making acrylic nails? Acrylic nails are artificial nails used in order to increase the length of your natural nail. And in order to get the acrylic nail to stick to the surface of your natural nail, first of all, they need to file your natural nail down to make it dry enough, dry and rough enough for the acrylic to stick to it. And what they do is they use an electric sander to file down your nail, and while they're doing that, they rotate the ball left to right, left to right, left to right over your nail, taking down plenty of layers of your nail. Each time they sand down your nail, with every stroke they are thinning and weakening your nails. And after they have finished filing down the nails, they put on the acrylic. Obviously, I agree how beautiful it does look. The different colours, the different shades they use, pink and white, all this looks beautiful. I can't deny that. But 2 weeks later, you're going to need to go back and you're going to have those nails refilled in. So each time you go back, you can imagine the damage that's being caused to your nails, because you have to repeat the process for them to redo it to make it look nice again, because it will be jumping up. long-term use of acrylics. If your natural nails never get to see the light of day again because you're relying on acrylics, every 2 weeks you get a touch up, you keep doing that. Imagine the period over years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you never see your natural nail again. It's always acrylics, refills, refills, refills. You can imagine the damage that's happening to your natural nail and how weak they are. Maybe the way you would find out what your natural nail actually looks like is to have your nails natural for a period of time. If it's something you can't live without acrylics, at least give your natural nails time to breathe. At least 3 to 6 months to regain and rejuvenate the health and strength of your natural nails. Acrylic nails also, if they're kept on for too long, can cause infection underneath, bacterial infection. I've seen pictures online where the girls have taken their acrylic nails off and they've got green fungus growing underneath it. You also have to avoid that. And if you have your natural nails, you won't be at risk of that. Not to mention, the price of acrylic nails are very expensive as well. You'll save yourself a lot of money if you grow and look after your own healthy natural nails. And I have a video on that, how to grow long, strong natural nails. I'll link it in the description. I also have a playlist that will show you how to take very good care of your nails and how to grow your nails from scratch. Not to mention the price of acrylics. The general price for a full set of acrylics when you're starting from scratch with them ranges from £15 if you're lucky upwards. Most of them are £20 upwards. And every 2 weeks you'll need to get them refilled because your natural nail will start growing out underneath it and it won't look very nice. You want to get a touch up immediately. That's going to cost you anywhere from £10 upwards to keep getting them refilled and refilled. Wouldn't you rather keep your natural nails, grow them beautifully, and you won't have to worry about the hassle of wasting excessive money on nails? You are beautiful, your nails are beautiful. I wonder, give it a try. Leave the acrylics alone for a while, grow out your natural long nails, and let me know in the comment section below how you found it. And if you're going to stick with natural, or you're going to go back to acrylics, or you'll still keep doing a mixture of both. Let me know how you get on. Embrace your beautiful self. I hope you found the information in this video useful. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.